guess where I am? I want you to follow me. Let me introduce you to somewhere you will all like to know about. Come. I'm here. Hi, Chief Imo. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure here.
Same here.
Yes,
Same
I'm
here.
Barrister Ketch and I'm the admin
of
Divine Mercy American International Academy.
Oh, really?
And also the Divine Mercy Medical Center. I'm also the admin. And here with me is Sister Scholar Emedo. She is the HM of the basic section.
Sister Scholar Emedo Scholar. One of my sisters then, I was answering that name before, although she's gone, may her soul rest in peace. Then after that, we cut off the sticker behind the scholar. We're calling her Auntie Scholar. Then the sticker, I would say sticker, Maggi and yeah, scholar sticker. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to put a face to the name.
Thank you.
It's beautiful and we are honored to have you here.
Thank you.
So Sister Scholar and I should be taking you on a tour.
Oh, beautiful. You know, I have heard a lot about you people.
Wow.
I said today I must come because I say, so that you will be able to say what you see. So today I am happy to be here. I travel all the way from Lagos to this place. What's this place again?
Ngopala. OBK. We are located in Ochicha OBK Ngopala.
Ochicha OBK Ngopala. This is where the school is being located. So please take note. After taking you around, then I will say something that will interest you. Follow us.
It's a huge tour. We are seated on 100 plots of land. So be ready.
Hey! I got Follow up.
We have the classes here. We have the crèche, we have the nursery, we have the basic. This is nursery 1 of Divine Mercy American International Academy. Here you have our pictures, relaxed, they're comfortable decks, and they have their TV station for them to capture. You know, when you teach children with pictures that they can see, it helps them to grab what you are trying to teach, and it helps for retention. So you see, the school provided this in order to facilitate and enhance learning.
We have 24/7 power supply, so it's always fun. Always.
I love that. Always. To show that it's real. Always.
Even for our borders, they have 247 light.
Wow.
Heaters on to ensure that this cold, it's been raining. So we always have running water. We have heaters and hot water.
I'm going to be hit today.
You'll see it.
You hit me.
Okay, here we are in the auditorium, 800 capacity limit. We can even take much more. We have our events, school events and outside events. This particularly serves as our hall. Here we also have the display on the projector for the children. All these things are learning aids to assist the children connect globally with other children from outside Nigeria.
Oh, really?
Smart board.
Wow.
With me here is also the computer teacher who assists us to operate these things and to ensure that the children get these things.
Wow. Looking at him, he's computer.
It looks computerized.
Computerized. When you see them, when you see them, you know them.
We have not been to our ICT lab, so we are going to ICT lab.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Now, computer me.
This is the high school section. Yes.
High school section.
High school. That's what we call it now. High school. Not
section.
secondary.
Oh, really? Our own was.
Remember, we won an
college.
American.
You're welcome to Just One. The God bless you.
Amen. We know we have a guest today. Yes. Who is he?
Hold on, you said just one.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
I am also in I'm also in JS1. In fact, I'm your class member. Give me my own seat. You've got ABCD.
So Chief Imo came to visit us today, and I think we interrupted the class. We have the phonics teacher.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So he's taking a tour of our facility. Let's give him a round of applause. So, Chief Imo, welcome to our hostel, our boarding house.
Wow.
Yes. Our boarding house has 100 capacity bed for now, and we have more. As you can see, of course, we're still building more. An extension of this.
I was even thinking this is an Asoroko.
I
So
can't-
this is just a boarding house for students.
Yes.
Hey! No, my henaka.
If you go up a little, you will see that we have surveillance camera all over the building, all over our compound.
It's all souvenir camera.
Surveillance camera.
Oh!
Surveillance camera.
So everything that is going on here is being camera.
Yes.
Wow.
We do not play, we joke with security. Children's security, we do not.
Very important.
So while they are sleeping, we are.
We are watching them.
Yes.
To make sure they are okay and they are well-being.
Yes.
Because took me inside. Took me inside.
So this is one of our rooms. One of the rooms in the girls' hostel.
Pinkish.
The same thing.
This
Heater fitted for their comfort. 247 light, 247 water supply.
This is beautiful. Oh, wow. At least even if I didn't school here, or even if I know school for boarding school, let me test their ability. Who will school here and then he or she will not learn? If anybody schools here and he or she did not learn, that person can never learn again in his life.
At the sports complex here in Divine Mercy American International Academy, we don't only talk about intellectual, we also do physical and extracurricular activity to make sure the heart, the mind, and the physical body is taken care of. We have the volleyball court, the basketball court at the rear, and the lawn tennis court. We also have a focus on track and events, football for lover of soccer. Our CEO is a lover of soccer, so we invested so much on having all this. Aside that, we also do cycling a lot. All the children who are boarders here actually have a bicycle given to them.
Wow.
That is to ensure accountability and responsibility. They take care of their bike. So as much as you're bringing your children, you have that in mind.
Wow! Bicycle. I'm enrolling myself into this school. I am rolling myself into this school. It's not for anything. For more. Hey, come on,